Hey, curious explorers! What if I told you that every time you get curious, your brain literally rewires itself? Or that curiosity has been scientifically proven to make you live longer, learn faster, and feel happier? Stick with me for the next 5 minutes, because I'm about to blow your mind with how curiosity changes your brain and your life. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss what we're about to uncover. First, let's start with what's actually happening in your brain. When you encounter something new or intriguing, your brain kicks into high gear. Neuroscientists discovered that when you're curious, a special part of your brain called the ventral tegmental area lights up like a fireworks show. This area is crucial for the release of dopamine. Dopamine is often referred to as the feel-good chemical. It not only makes you happy, but also motivates you to explore and learn. Imagine it as your brain's way of rewarding you for being curious. Here's the kicker: studies from UC Davis showed that curiosity enhances memory. When you're genuinely interested in a topic, your brain goes into overdrive. When you're curious about a topic, your brain becomes a sponge, soaking up information better than when you're indifferent. It's like your brain is on high alert, ready to capture every detail. It's like your brain is saying, "This is important, let's remember it." This heightened state of awareness makes learning more effective and enjoyable. Here's a shocking fact. Did you know that your brain's reward system treats curiosity like it treats chocolate or even money? Yep, it's that powerful. So next time you feel curious, remember your brain is giving you a treat. Here's something even more surprising. Curiosity isn't just good for your brain, it's a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your overall well-being. It's good for your mental health. When you engage in curious activities, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good hormone. Research published in the journal Emotion found that curious people tend to be happier and experience less anxiety. But why? It's because curiosity encourages a positive mindset. It's because curiosity shifts your focus from fear to discovery. When you're curious, you're more likely to explore new ideas and experiences. Instead of stressing about what could go wrong, your brain starts asking, "What can I learn from this?" This shift in perspective can reduce stress and increase resilience. That small shift can make a huge difference in how you approach life's challenges. Embracing curiosity can lead to personal growth and a more fulfilling life. Here's a statistical fact. Curious people have a 20% lower risk of depression and report feeling more satisfied with their lives. So stay curious and keep exploring. Want to live longer? Get curious. A groundbreaking study from the Journal of Aging and Health found that adults who maintained high levels of curiosity lived on average 2 years longer than their less curious peers. Why? Because curiosity keeps your brain active, your body moving, and your social connections thriving. Albert Einstein once said, "I have no special talents, I'm only passionately curious." He lived to be 76, which was well above average for his time. Coincidence? I think not. So how can you use all this knowledge to your advantage? How can you turn this understanding into a tool for personal growth and exploration? Here are 3 easy ways to boost your curiosity starting today. 1. Ask more questions. Questions are the gateway to deeper understanding and insight. The more questions you ask, the more your brain engages. It's like a workout for your mind, keeping it active and sharp. 2. Think of yourself as a detective in everyday life. Observe, note, and investigate the world around you with a keen eye. 3. Try something new every week. New experiences stimulate your brain and open up new pathways of thought. Whether it's tasting a new food, exploring a new place, or stepping out of your comfort zone. Learning a new skill, novelty ignites curiosity. Turn off autopilot. Engage with your surroundings actively. Notice the small details around you, the texture of a leaf, the pattern of the clouds, the sound of the wind. Why is the sky pink during sunset? What causes the colors to change? How does your phone work? What are the components inside it that make it function? Once you start noticing, you'll want to know more. Curiosity is a cycle that feeds itself, leading to endless discovery and wonder. And there you have it. Curiosity isn't just a quirk. It's a superpower that can rewire your brain, boost your happiness, and even help you live longer. What do you think? Do you think curiosity can change your perspective on life? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, stay curious.